Hello everyone. Let me show you how to fix the duplicate call record in Isabel. Here is my screen. You can see every call's duplicate records. I am facing this issue from last month. Let me show it again. Here is my call record. Sorry. Every call have two records. It is first time I am facing this issue. Uh, I don't know why it's coming. Let me show you how to fix this problem. First, I will show you my Asterisk version. I am using Asterisk 13.30.0. Okay, file vim etc Asterisk module underscore custom.conf. Now open this file and insert the parameters. noload cdr underscore mysql.so. Save the file. Now restart the Asterisk services and MariaDB database. After reboot both services, let me show you current logs in call recordings. You can see my last call recording logs. There is no duplicate logs. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone will fix this issue after watching my video. Thank you so much.